Brother HL-L2480DW, the laser beast that fits your tiny desk. Ever felt like your printer is plotting against you, jamming mid-deadline or gobbling ink like it's free candy, leaving you staring at blank pages while ideas evaporate? That soul-crushing block when scans blur and copies curl, turning simple tasks into tech tantrums? It's like your workflow's stuck in slow-motion molasses. Drop a comment if this printer purgatory rings too true. Share your wildest jam story. Envision the frenzy. Reports piling up as burnout bites, stress spiking from endless paper jams that eat hours you'd rather spend sipping coffee, not wrestling cables in a cramped corner. Those frantic nights tweaking settings just to get one clean print, amplifying the chaos until relaxation feels like a myth. Imagine seizing back the reins with a compact monochrome laser dynamo like the Brother HL-L2480DW, effortless duplex, and wireless flow, no added frenzy. If you're drowning in print pandemonium, this could rewrite your routine. Enter the revolution. The Brother HL-L2480DW, 2025's compact 3-in-1 monochrome laser powerhouse that fuses printing, scanning, and copying into a sleek 15.7-inch footprint, blasting out crisp 36 pages per minute black and white pages with auto duplex flips that slash paper waste like a ninja in the night. Dual-band wireless hums seamlessly over Ethernet or USB, while the 2.7-inch touchscreen dances through menus, and Brother Mobile Connect app lets you summon scans from your phone like a digital genie. Plus, Refresh Easy Print subscription trial keeps toner flowing without the dread of dry spells. No more inkjet betrayals. This laser's smudge-proof precision evokes the satisfying snap of fresh documents stacking neatly, that intuitive hum signaling victory over voids. Consider Lisa, the freelance hustler buried in client briefs. One rushed morning, she fired up the flatbed scan via app, duplexed a 50-page deck in minutes, and emailed it off while brewing tea, the whir of efficient energy filling her tiny studio like a productivity potion. Q Symphony? Wait, no. Here it's the versatile paper handling taming envelopes and labels with ease. Energy Star thrift sipping power without skimping on punch. Space Fit? Nah. But its network-ready vibe integrates cloud apps like Google Drive for on-the-fly pulls, turning scattered files into focused firepower. It's that hypnotic shift from frazzled fumbling to fluid command, the subtle scent of warm toner wafting like success baked fresh. Here's one way the Brother HL-L2480DW saved the day for a busy professional. During a midnight merger, it auto-duplexed contracts flawlessly, dodging jams that would have sunk the deal. Keep scrolling for the bonus trick at the end that turbocharges your toner game. Feel the surge. Efficiency soars as auto-duplex churns double-sided docs without a flip, honing focus on razor-sharp text that demands attention, while performance peaks at 36 pages per minute bursts filling your tray from the 250-sheet beast. Streamline home office marathons, laser in on student essays, or power small biz blitzes with pro-grade output that feels like cheating the clock. The Brother HL-L2480DW is the ultimate workhorse for small setups. Beams a home office tech expert, praising its lightning first page out and jam-free reliability that outlasts inkjet's fickle flings. Productivity influencer gushes, wireless printing from my phone, game changer, toner lasts ages, Alexa voice prints lists in seconds, blending ease and edge for budget bosses. An industry analyst affirms, Brother owns monochrome mastery here, with low per-page costs and duplex built-in, benchmarking hassle-free heroes for everyday warriors. Small biz owner confesses, flawless for invoices all day, duplex saves stacks, wireless unites the team. No downtime dares interrupt our grind. Grad student raves, last-minute readings? Blasts double-sided from dorm Wi-Fi. Toner eternal on a shoestring. Reliable rocket for my chaos. See why thousands rave about this compact laser legend, ditching bulky behemoths for its whisper-quiet wizardry. It swats two basic gripes with cloud-savvy scans to email or pricey toner by a 50% refresh savings, doubling down on value that vibrates through every sheet. Which perk? The intuitive touchscreen or mobile app mastery would bail out your bottleneck. Comment below and spill. What's your print pet peeve? Sense that electric anticipation, the cool stack of finished work under your fingers like a high five from tomorrow? TikTok on limited stock. Dive into the frenzy with thousands who've supercharged their setups via the Brother HL-L2480DW's wireless duplex dash and refresh trial perks. Don't ghost another glitchy print sesh. One pro quipped, couldn't fathom how swiftly it streamlined my chaos. Comment, yes, if you're itching for that secret tip inside on slashing costs forever. Snag it now, unlock envelope edge printing ease, and catapult your productivity. Don't just dream, deploy this desk dominator today.